Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we revised here topic fraction. Topic fractions. This one topic we learn in 3rd standard also, 4th standard also and 5th standard also. This is your important topic. So see here. Fraction means what? A fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Yeah, fraction is a part of set. Fraction means what? Fraction is part of whole. Understand? Part of whole. Now see here. In this rectangle, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total parts right downside and shaded part right upper side, 3 part. What you call the upper side part? Numerator, number. Downside part? Denominator, number. And this one? Fraction bar. Fraction bar. Okay. Upper side part numerator number, downside part denominator number, and in middle line you call that one fraction bar. Fraction bar. Okay. Now see how to write the equivalent. There are so many types like fraction, unlike fraction, comparing fraction, ordering fraction, equivalent fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. There are so many parts. Proper fraction means what? Numeric first one. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator number is called a proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Means see here 1 by 4. See, 4 is a greatest number, 1 is the smallest number. Yeah, 3 by 4, 9 by 11, that type. We call that one proper fraction. Then improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction means what? A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Fraction which is the numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. You call that one improper fraction. Improper fraction. 4 by 4. 9 by 7, 11 by 9. Understand? Call that one improper fraction. Now equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means what? shows the same part of the whole, shows the same part of the whole. Means see here, what is the fraction is there? 1 by 2. And next one, now you cross the multiply, cross multiply, 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4, means both sides are same. You call that one equivalent fraction. Now we want their series wise equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number, by the same number. See here, 2 example, 3 by 7. We want here equivalent number. Here 21 given, here 12 given, and here 14 given. Now say here 3 by 7, you want their numerator number also here and denominator number also the same. 14 3s are 54. So when you multiply by this one number denominator and this one number numerator, both are same. Fourteen 3s are 42. So see here, 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 7 6 are also 42, means both are same. 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28. How to write? Understand? You write there with the multiplication. We write there with the multiplication. 2 by 5 means 2 multiply by 2, that time you multiply by also 2. You got their number 4 by 10. When you multiply by numerator number 3, that time same number you multiply by denominator number. 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Understand how to come? Now like fraction. Like fraction means what? Fraction with less same the denominator, called as a like fraction. Called as a like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator. Fraction with the same denominator. Next one, like. Like fraction means what? Fraction with the same denominator. Same denominator means 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 5 by 7. This one you call, here same denominator is na, so you call that one like fraction. Now unlike fraction. Now we learn here unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means what? Fraction with a different denominator. Fraction with a different denominator. 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 5. You call that one unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Next one, comparing fraction, ordering fraction. Comparing fraction means when denominator is the same, you compare numerator number, which is the greatest, that one is the greatest. When numerator is the same and denominator is a different, that time write their opposite. Write their smaller denominator is the greatest number. Understand? Okay. All of you, now we learn here convert. We learn here convert into the improper fraction to mixed number. Convert improper fraction to mixed number. Mixed number. See here how to convert. Divide the numerator by the denominator. First one rule is there. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Write the quotient as a natural number. Remainder is a numerator number of proper fraction, and denominator will be same denominator of the given improper fraction. All of you understand what I say? No, na? See, if you given you 10 by 4 and that one is a convert into mixed number. You want here convert into mixed number. That time what you do? 10 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8. 2. This is your quotient. This is your remainder. We want here mixed number. We want here mixed number. Okay, that time what you do? What is the quotient? What is the quotient? That one you write a natural number. That one you write a natural number. Remainder is a numerator number. Remainder write as a numerator number, and denominator number is as write as it is. Yeah, divisor number also write in denominator number. Understand? Now one example we learn here. 11 by 7. 11 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 11, 7 ones are 7. 11 minus 7. How many there remaining? 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. Right there 1, 4 by 7. Quotient, remainder, denominator. Understand? Okay. Now convert mixed to improper fraction. Now you convert here mixed to improper fraction. Improper fraction. There is a formula. There is one formula right here. Natural number multiplied by denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. see there, seven and 2 by 3. How to do? Natural number 7 in bracket, denominator number multiply by 3 plus numerator number 2 and denominator number 7. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 by 7, 23 by 7, 23 by 7, sorry 3, right here 3, numerator as it is right na, sorry. Understand? Next one, 1 4 by 7, 1 multiply by 7 denominator plus numerator 4 divided by 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4 11, 11 by 7. See, this one also I write here, you got their answer na? Understand how to do? Now we learn here addition of fraction. We learn here addition of fraction. Addition of fractions means what? There are addition of like fraction is a different, and addition of mixed number with the same denominator is a different. Addition of unlike fraction is a different. Addition of mixed number with a different denominator, this one also different. And addition of fraction and mixed number, that one also different. We learn here one only one example. Okay, first one, addition of like fraction. Addition of like fraction. 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 is equal to, see here first one, all denominator is a same, all have common denominator, so write there one common denominator, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 7. Understand how to do the like fraction addition? Now addition of mixed numbers with same denominator. Same denominators. Addition of mixed number with the same denominators. One 2 by 7 plus 3 and 1 by 7, 4 and 3 by 7. Okay. First one, you convert there in a improper fraction. 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9 by 7 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22 by 7. 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 31 by 7. 9 plus 22 plus 31 by 7. 62 by 7 answer is there. Now divided there, convert into the mixed number. 7 divided by 62. 7 divided by 62. 7 8s are 56. 62 minus 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 6 right there, remainder 6 and denominator right as it is. Understand? Next one. Addition of unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. First one, 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Okay. Now, see here. Here numerator number also different, denominator number also different. That time what you do? First one we take denominator number 4, 3, 6. LCM of 4, 3, 6. LCM of 4, 3, 6. Now see here 4, 3, 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. What is the LCM is there? It is a 12. It is a 12. Now convert. Convert the 1 by 4, 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. 1 by 4 multiply by, you want here denominator is a 12 because of their LCM of 4, 3, 6 is a 12. 4 3s are 12. Understand? 2 by 3. 3 4s are, so numerator number also multiply by same. Same as it is 6 multiply by 2, 5 2s are. 1 by 12 plus 8 by 12 plus 10 by 12 is equal to, see here is 3 by 12. Denominator number, which number you multiply, same number as it is you multiply. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 10, 21, 21 by 12. 21 by 12, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 7 by 4, 4 1s are 4, 3 by 4, 1 and 3 by 4. Understand? Next one. Addition with a mixed number with different denominator, with different denominators. 2 1 by 2 plus 4 and 1 by 4 plus 3 and 5 by 12. 3 and 5 by 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. 4 4s are 16, 17 by 4. 36 plus 1, 41 by 12. Now, what you do? You want here 2, 4, 12. LCM is both are in a one table. All is in a one table. So, which is the greatest number? That one is your LCM. So 12. You want here 12. 2 6 5 6 plus 17 by 4. 4 3 17 3 41 by 12. 35, 12, 17 threes are 51 by 12, 41 by 12. Now add there 30 plus 51 plus 41. How much there? Count there. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 51 plus 122 by 12. 61 by 6 is equal to. Understand? All of you understand now? Now subtraction, multiplication and division also we learn in next video. Thank you. Today's homework, bahar their table 2 to 20 and write as it is. Okay, thank you.